I finally got my camera back. I'm so excited. But anyway, I just went to get a wax. She gave me bump treatment. Hopefully that zooms in. Gave me this. Got this. And I also got this. You're just supposed to use them while in the shower. So like, I'm really happy with my purchases. You gotta treat yourself. You definitely gotta treat yourself. I have a nail appointment at 1 o'clock. Gonna do the nails. Remember I told you guys 2 weeks ago, and I'm doing my toe. What has been going on recently? Since the last time that I uploaded a video, I only hello? Alright then, I'ma just for now I'ma just go back home and clean up a little bit and make myself something to eat for breakfast. I don't know. Alright then, I just got in the car. I'm about to go home now. Alright. Okay, so since I recorded the last time, all I've done so far, I still haven't ordered my stuff for my kitchen. I'm gonna do that soon though. Like oh my god. I'm gonna do that soon. I just been really procrastinating. Today I have to do my nails and I have to go to the mall. So the party that I'm going to today is a 2000 themes party. So when I go to the mall, that's what I'm looking for, is a 2000, like what I would consider a 2000s outfit. Why does my maps always do that? Like, that's so stupid. Gosh, it gives me the wrong directions every time. I don't really know how to do my nails. Like, I kind of want to get the same thing, because like I'm gonna get this color again, but I might do like a little something on top of it. Like, I don't know, like I'm gonna do the same color on my toes too. Same color on my toes, but I might get like, make her do like the tips, like all the way at like the tip right here, like a different color, like a spring color. I don't really know. I don't know, or I'll just freaking get the same color again. Like, it's really nothing to me. Right now the weather, like I don't really know how to feel about this weather. It says it's 66 outside. It might be true because I have shorts on and I was just standing outside. I didn't feel cold, so that might be true, but it just looks a little dark outside. I'm really excited for this party. I had a few things to do that I did not do. So I just wanted to show you guys my nails. Why is it not focusing? I just wanted to show you guys my nails. I got the outline. On my left hand, it's a peach color, and on my right hand, it's hot pink. I couldn't choose, so I did both. Same color too, like the same exact color that I had before, with just this color on the top. And on my feet, I did baby pink.